Juris Vodcast with Scott Pearce.
The Seventh Circuit U.S. Court of Appeals has just held in favor of the plaintiff in an employment case called Hall v. Nalco. The plaintiff was fired from her job because she missed work to undergo IVF treatment for infertility. She sued, claiming that her firing violated Title VII of the Civil Rights Act as amended by the Pregnancy Discrimination Act. This is a gender discrimination employment case. The lower court granted a defense motion for summary judgment, agreeing that the plaintiff hadn't stated a gender discrimination claim under Title VII because infertility is a medical problem that affects men as well as women. The appellate court reversed, holding that the facts alleged by the plaintiff were good enough to state a sex discrimination claim. IVF procedures are performed only on women. The plaintiff was fired for missing work in order to undergo this procedure. Although infertility can affect men and women, only women bear children. This anatomical difference means that discrimination based on childbearing, as presented in Hall v. Nalco, is enough to trigger the protections of Title VII. It's worth mentioning that pregnancy-related discrimination was not part of Title VII until 1978. That's when the Pregnancy Discrimination Act was passed. This appellate decision means that the plaintiff will get her day in court. It does not mean that she will win her discrimination case. I agree with the Seventh Circuit, but by nature I am a defense lawyer. If I were defending this case, I would try to prove that the plaintiff was dismissed merely for absenteeism. It's reasonable to fire somebody who doesn't show up for work. It's unreasonable to discriminate against women. This is an interesting case, which we will continue to follow.
Juris Vodcast is a production of Nuclear Podcast. Creative Commons Attribution, Non-Commercial, No Derivatives.